Cleansing your aura or having a clean aura is very important if you want to take control of your daily life and attract good and positive things into your life. There are various ways to cleanse your aura, but today we are just focusing on how you can use sea salt to cleanse your aura. First of all, what do we call aura? And how do we know? How do we notice that our aura is unclean? And how do we use sea salt to purify, to cleanse our aura? If you want to know the answers to these questions, don't go anywhere. Welcome back, my beautiful people. It is always a pleasure for me to connect with you. I am so grateful to you all, my followers, my subscribers. May the universe bless you abundantly wherever you are. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. If today is your first time discovering this channel, you are very welcome to join the family by clicking on the subscribe button. As you can see, on this channel we talk about spirituality in general, and today we are going to talk about how to use sea salt to cleanse our aura. If you don't know what we call aura, your aura is simply a form of energy field surrounding your physical body. Your physical, mental, emotional, and energy status of who you are right now is represented by your aura. Okay, so this is an energy field that says a lot about you. If you have accumulated too much negative energy, that can be seen in your aura. Okay, so if your aura is unclean, you will not be able to attract good things in your life. You will not be able to shine among others. You will not be able to attract favor into your life. This is why you need purification. This is why you need to cleanse your aura from time to time. There are so many ways to cleanse your aura. Yeah, there are so many ways to cleanse your aura. You can do this through meditation, through Reiki healing. You can do this through breathing exercise. You can also use sea salt to cleanse your aura. You can use Himalaya salt, pink salt, or even incense to cleanse your aura. Okay, but today we are focusing only on sea salt. I highly recommend you using sea salt for this ritual, okay? Because if you use normal table salt, the result is not going to be the same. You know, normal table salt is extremely refined and it does not contain the natural nutrients or minerals anymore. Okay, so make sure you use sea salt like this one right here. This is my own sea salt. Okay, I always have some in my home. All right, so for this ritual you will need sea salt and water. Okay, in fact you have to do this ritual in your bathroom. Yeah, so if you have a bathtub, that is perfect. But if you don't have one, don't worry at all. You just need a big bowl, okay? I mean a container in which you can fetch your water. So after filling your container with water, then you add 1 or 2 handfuls of sea salt to your water. Okay, then you can add maybe 7 drops of essential oil if you have one. Okay, you can add especially lavender essential oil. Okay, this is my own. If you want to, if you want one, you can contact me. Okay, so you add 7 drops of essential oil to your water and salt. Make sure the water you are using for this ritual or this cleansing should be warm. It shouldn't be too cold water. All right, so when you finish with all these steps, you can on an incense. Okay, if you have any incense around, it can be palo santo or sage or anything like that, you can on it. And then what you are going to do next is to soak yourself into this salt water you have prepared. Make sure you soak yourself into the water, and you are going to stay in this water for at least 20 minutes. And while in this water, you can close your eyes and meditate. Imagine all the negativity coming out of your body. Imagine your body becoming new, your energy becoming clean. Okay, allow yourself to be refined with this salt water. Connect with the universe and let go of every negativity. You can say some affirmations words along if you like. Okay, you can say things like, my body is clean, my energy is clean, my aura is clean, I attract only positive and good vibes in my life, I let go of every pain and embrace positive energy. I am healed. I feel alive. My aura is clear and reviving. Say things that really make you feel like your aura is being purified. Okay, and I can assure you that spiritually your aura is being cleansed. Please take this ritual very serious, because spiritually is going to help you a lot. When your aura is clean, you are favored. Yes, you are favored among others. When your aura is clean, you attract good and positive things into your life. Okay, you can do this ritual once in a week. So you just have to choose a day in the week with an appropriate time for yourself. Okay, remember, you are not doing this in a rush. No, because you actually need about 40 minutes to an hour to finish with everything. Now, in case you don't really have enough time for yourself to do this ritual, I'm going to give you an alternative way to go about it. So what you are going to do here is to take a handful of sea salt. Okay, a handful of sea salt, and you are going to add a little bit of water to this, just a little bit. Okay, you are not going to pour 1 cup of water or something. No, just a little quantity of water, just for the salt to melt. Okay, now after that, you add some drops of essential oil, lavender or tea tree. If you have this essential oil, you just add like 3 or 7 drops to it. Okay, and the next thing you are going to do is to rub this mixture from your head to your toes, from up to down. Okay, when you go down, you don't come back up. Okay, so you are going to rub this mixture from your head, your face, your neck, your armpits, your arms, your body, like, and don't forget your back. You rub it at your back too, till you go down your legs and your toes. Okay, While doing this, you visualize every negative energy being absorbed from your body. Okay, so when you finish applying this mixture, you wait for about 5 minutes. Wait for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then you go take your normal shower. That is all. Your aura is going to be cleansed. This will revive your aura. Okay, it is really, really, really important to cleanse your aura from time to time. Remember, we are spirits, and this body is a vehicle. Okay, so the spiritual controls the physical. Anything happening to you today has its roots in the spiritual realm. So you need to take your spiritual life very, very serious. If you have already tried to cleanse your aura before, let us know in the comment section, okay? And tell us where you are watching this video from. I am really glad to share this with you today. And if you have learned anything at all from this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. To avoid missing any of my videos, you are welcome to join the family by subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be among the first people YouTube notifies when I share a new video. Sending you all much love. Namaste.